Hello my dear students. Today I am going to explain about GST rates applicable to goods. GST rates servicesಗೆ ಬೇರೆನೇ ಇದೆ. Here I am going to explain only about GST rates applicable to goods. Some goods GST rate is 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%, 3%, 0.25% and 1.0%. So all goods are here divided into 8 schedules for rate purpose. Let's start. GST rates applicable to goods. First schedule, GST rate is 0%. Under GST, some goods are tax-free goods, or we can say about exempted goods. These examples is very important one for your examinations concerned, like milk, buttermilk, curd, natural honey, bread, salt, fresh fruits and vegetables, agricultural implements, newspaper, printed books. These all goods GST rate is 0%. Then Schedule 2. Some goods GST rate is 5%. Then if type of GST are collected IGST, then fully 5% goes to the center government. If it is intrastate buy and sell, then they are divided into two kinds. CGST 2.5% goes to the center government and remaining 2.5% goes to the state. So examples of goods which GST rate is 5%: pre-packed and labeled goods, skimmed milk powder, cashew, areca and groundnuts, tea and coffee, etc. Schedule 3. Some goods GST rate is 12%. So if it is type of GST is IGST, then totally 12% is goes to the center. Otherwise 50% goes to the state and 50% goes to the center. Example of goods which GST rate is 12%: almond, dates, ghee, cheese, fruit juice, etc. Schedule number 4. Some goods GST rate is 18%. Example: chocolate, biscuit, ice cream, mineral water, TV up to 27 inches. Schedule number 5. Some goods GST rate is 28%. If it is GST nature is IGST, then totally 28% goes to the center. Otherwise 14% central government and 14% state they are going to allocate it according to the principles of GST. Examples of goods which GST rate is 28% all over country, all over India: pan masala, Portland cements, air conditioning machines, cigars, computer monitors. These all are examples of goods which GST rate is 28%. Some more examples are there, but this much is enough one. Schedule number 6, which GST rate is 3%. As I told, if it is nature of GST is IGST, then fully 3% goes to the center. Otherwise they are divided into 50%, means 1.5% center, 1.5% to the state. Example: gold made items like jewelry, pearl, silver, articles of jewelry of precious metals. These all are examples which GST rate is 3% all over India. Then schedule number 7, GST rate is 0.25%. Example: semi-precious stones, cut and polished stones. These goods GST rate is 0.25%. The last schedule, some goods GST rate is 1.5% only in all over India. Example: diamond job work or diamond. So this is all about the rate applicable to goods, GST rates applicable to goods. Thank you for watching.